First, you're going to crack your eggs and put 4 of them into a bowl. Then add 1 2/3 cup of sugar. Next, you're going to add 1 cup of vegetable oil. Then a smaller can of pumpkin. So this comes in 2 sizes, the big can, the smaller can. You're going to add the smaller can, which is about 15 ounces. And just put that all in with the rest of it. Then mix it really well. So then you're going to add your 2 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now these are your dry ingredients. You can sift them all together, but I just throw them in. And then just 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then I have my cinnamon, so it's 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and then just 1 teaspoon of salt. You don't have to use the whole teaspoon. I did about half a teaspoon. Then mix it really well. Then I have a 9x13 pan that I'm going to spray with cooking spray, and then just dump your batter into the pan. Then spread it around so it's pretty even, and then you're going to stick it in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Once you're all done baking it, you're going to take the other end of a wooden spoon or a fork and poke holes in it. I like the bigger holes because then when I drizzle my caramel on top, it seeps into this cake a little bit better. Then spread the caramel around the best you can, getting it into the little holes. Now let's make the frosting. So I have a container of Cool Whip, and I use the whole entire container. Next, I use cream cheese. I use not the fat-free kind because it mixes a little bit better. Then just add 2 cups of powdered sugar and mix it with your beaters. Mix it for about 2 minutes till it's nice and smooth. Then you're just going to put it on top. You want to make sure that your cake is pretty much cooled when you do this, or else it will melt down into the holes with the caramel. And then just spread it around the best that you can. Then I like to put crushed pecans on top, along with a little caramel drizzle as you're serving each individual piece. Hey, thanks for stopping by today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and you can watch some more of our other favorite videos. See you later.